Hello everybody. Okay, new project, sound wave again. This one shows, it's supposed to show a fire, sort of flickering fire that, show heat distortion, okay? I haven't set it up properly, but I will spend some time setting it up, but you can do that when I send you the code how to do it. This is similar to the old, actually it's the same as the old window media player, early 2000, when you had the music, you listen to music in the sprite. So, and it used to be, some of them used to be orange, different colors, and particularly this one was very famous. You know, the little bars that actually flame, the sort of flickering through exactly as it was then. So, okay, let's have a look at this. This is the way you can set it up. Hello. No, okay, that should work now. Yeah. Okay, so okay, I don't like that white things because it covers everything. So I'll have to set it up again. Okay, so we got this two cable here. It's a number 6, which the brown one goes to SEL, and number 7. Pin number 7, which goes to SDA. Okay, so, and this is actually GPIO 6 and GPIO 7. This is GPIO 2, which is ADC. It's analog, and it goes to analog sound sensor. Okay, so it's ADC. And it's a 3.3 volt because ADC works on 3.3 volt usually, and digital works on 5 volt. I also add electronic capacitors, about 100 microfarad. The reason it's to stop the noise pollution that electricity produces sometimes, dissipating wattage. Okay, so what's the next? Next we go and see the code. Right, here's the code, the usual library, sound sensor pin 2. I'm not going to do a fritz on this because it's pretty simple. The only things that you have to be careful when you deal with ESP8266 and ESP32 is that you have to initialize, you have to wire begin there. If you don't wire begin, it would not update the screen. So here it is, it's SDA pins GPIO 7 and GPIO 6. Alright, it's I2C pins. And you like to know which one they are. Okay, so make it a bit bigger. So this one, in its soundValue, analog sound sensor pin measures sound intensity. Okay, so this is also good if you want to print out the result when they changes. This one, it's ABS, soundDelta ABS value, lastSoundValue, okay? Minus the sound value minus lastSoundValue. Detect the sound changes, the difference between the two, okay? This one will map the sound, and you can see here, I put an explanation. scale sound changes into dynamic fire height. So that's why when I say the fire height is too high, because it goes all the way to the top and you lose the distinctions of the flame. Okay, so that is you just try and error. You're going to change it to make it easier to get a better effect. Okay, so this is the way the fire changes here. You've got 3 different numbers, and I would start first to change the 300 maybe to 250 or something like that, or to 200, and then you can check the proportion to this. Okay, but I'll leave it to you to play around with it, which it can be fun. And obviously the next one is the flicker random -5 time random delta divided by 50. So the random delta, it's the soundDelta. Okay, so the flicker, stronger and louder sound based on sound sensitivity. Now this one is actually, you can do it adjusting the potentiometer, but I prefer to adjust it, and it's not perfect here at the moment, but we can play around with that and fix it. Alright, I think the distance between the two are fine, because you can see when I talk. Okay, so that's it. And this one is waveX plus equal random. A vary movement speed for heat effect. So that is got the heat effect, and I think it's too fast actually. So that can be changed as well. Okay guys, so here we got everything, and this is the way it goes. And as I said, we can change when if you don't like when it goes completely white, because you want to see the wave moving around between a very high and middle point. But here it's going off the screen, and it's and 300 I think is too high, because the screen is 128 times 64. Okay, so maybe it's good to bring it to the screen level. And what it is 128 across and 64 the height, the screen. Okay, and that you can see from the 128 by 64. Okay, so this one should be, I think we can change it to maybe to fit the screen instead of going over the board. Yeah. Okay guys, I think I done everything. One last check here. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, you want this one to come not too high, but to see when I talk, hello, 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 no, it goes over the board. You want it to see the flame here at the, yeah, like that. Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much, and I'll leave it to you. I mean, it's good. It plays well when you play music. Unfortunately, I can't play music because they will not allow my video to be published. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I think I covered everything. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. And thumbs up if you like it.